Discover the revolutionary way to enhance your teaching prospects with an online TEFL certificate. Imagine studying at your own pace and from anywhere in the world. This flexibility is what online TEFL courses offer. These courses not only provide convenience but are often more affordable than traditional in-person options. Accredited by the Paris College of International Education, ITTT ensures quality in every online certification course. Completing the 120-hour online course grants you an internationally recognized TEFL qualification, opening doors to thousands of opportunities. Evaluation is straightforward. You'll encounter brief tests and must submit a final essay to achieve certification. Worried about accessing materials? All required resources are available online in PDF format, ready for your download. You can complete the course in as little as 10 days, or at your own pace within a 6-month limit. Your TEFL certificate arrives quickly after graduation, accompanied by a unique ID for verification by employers. What's more, your certificate won't indicate that you studied online, ensuring equal recognition in the job market.